If you've moved recently and need to update your address with USCIS, here's how to do it using your online account. First, sign in to your USCIS account. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the page and open the My Account menu. From the drop-down, select Change Your Address. Take a moment to read the instructions on the next page. When you're ready, scroll down and click on Change My Address. Now you'll fill out your basic info. Enter your first and last name, then type in your date of birth. Click Next. On the next screen, type in your new address exactly how it should appear. Make sure everything is accurate, then hit Next again. Now you'll need to enter some immigration details. Add your A number if you have one. You also need to enter receipt numbers for any pending applications so the new address can be linked to them. Once you've double-checked everything, scroll down, check the box to confirm that your information is correct and submit your request. That's it. Your address is now updated.